Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. So for a lot of you, I know you guys are getting ready for the spring and summer months. Yes, we're still in winter, but that's okay. It is never too early to start getting ready for riding season. So if you're looking for a way to mount your new action camera onto your helmet, guys, I know it's been a challenge in the old days, especially with unusually shaped helmets like the one that you guys see here. Trying to get one of those 3M mounts to mount properly on here. Sometimes we have to offset it, and that is always a nuisance, getting that to fit just where you need it to be. I have a new product that was sent out to me by Startrc. And I'm going to share that with you guys right now. So in the box, we get a few accessories. Then it does come with this little offset that you guys see here, depending on how you want to angle your camera. That's really nice. Now, what's cool about this, yes, you get your thumb screw that comes with it. And there's also a lanyard on here. I'm not really sure what purpose the lanyard serves, but it does come with a little lanyard on here. I'm going to take that lanyard off. All right, guys, so I've taken the lanyard off. Like I said, if you guys want to use that for something, it does come with it. Now, here is the actual mount that you guys see here. Now, this is one that just kind of presses. It has like a spring-loaded mechanism here. Inside, you guys can see there is a suction section right here that's going to stick to the helmet. This portion right here is going to fit inside of the helmet, and you have a tensioner here on the very front as well. We have our standard 3 prongs right here for attaching, things like one of these adapters if you wanted to use that, or we could use it with a magnetic mount. Is probably going to be my preference. So the question is, with this helmet and the way it's configured, will it work with this specific helmet? So the way this would work is this would just fit underneath just like that, and it's just going to mount. Oh yeah, that's on there, guys. That's on there. And of course, you can adjust this as needed, up or down. So that's going to give you a little bit more control. So let's get the camera mounted on here so we can see exactly what that looks like. All right, so we have our quick release on here, and all you would need to do at this point is to mount your camera. Make sure it's locked on secure. You can adjust it forward or back depending on what type of bike you're riding. Yeah, guys, this is nice. Look at how easy it was for me to attach this camera onto the helmet. And then when you're done, if you want to take it off for whatever reason it is, you can just undo this just that easily. So if you're leaving your helmet like out on your bike or something like that, but you don't want to leave your camera out there, you can just unclip this, take it off, put it in your bag, whatever the case is going to be. Then when you're ready to ride out again, just go right back out, pop this guy back on, make sure it's on there very secure, and you are pretty much good to go. Yes, I'm a fan of this. Man, I wish a product like this existed, years ago when I was really looking for a way to be able to, quickly mount some of the action cameras that I've used in the past. So yeah, if you guys are getting ready for the spring riding season, I think this is going to be an outstanding product for you. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.